Garlic confit is a super slow roasted, sweet, delicious, buttery garlic that can be used on toast, in salad dressings, in sauces, on white pizzas, and much more. And the best part, it sounds much fancier and chefier than it really is. It takes about 2 minutes to make, and you can just put it on the counter when you're done and have it around for all sorts of flavor boosts to your food, and it'll keep for weeks. If you love garlic, you'll love having this around. All you have to do is take a bunch of peeled garlic, put it in a ramekin, which is like a bowl that can be made hot, and cover the garlic in oil. Once it's covered, add whatever herbs you want, thyme or rosemary or basil. I usually just use rosemary, and put it in the oven on 300 degrees for 1 hour. It should come out with the oil bubbling and the garlic soft and golden like this. If you can't stick a fork in it, it's probably not done. Now, once it is done, you can just carefully spoon it into jars or Tupperwares. Add that awesome garlic infused oil. Bing, bang, boom. You just prepped an ingredient that's really gonna buff your cooking. And it looks great on your windowsill or counter or whatever. Spread some on a piece of bread, give it a munch, and think about what else you'd like to use it in. It's great for getting a really good garlic flavor without the bitterness and spice of raw garlic, and I think you'll love its versatility. I hope you enjoyed this quick cooking tip, and I hope to see you in the next video. Have a great day.